Hello. In this video we will present the Rotary Pizza Oven Model MIX100RK. This is combined fuel, wood and gas, pizza oven with capacity 6 pizzas 30 centimeters. Let's jump into the main features of this pizza oven. The firewood chamber is accessed through a separate side door and positioned one level beneath the rotary baking deck. This configuration ensures that the heat from the fire is efficiently transferred upward, providing uniform heating across the rotary cooking deck. In addition, this configuration minimizes the overall footprint of the oven, making it space efficient while maintaining high thermal performance and bigger internal capacity for pizzas. A built-in ash drawer makes it easy to clear out ash residue from the firewood, while an additional access opening ensures quick cleaning beneath the rotary baking deck. Maintenance is simple and efficient, saving both time and effort. Controls are kept simple and intuitive, allowing anyone to operate the unit with ease. The rotation system can be adjusted both in speed and direction, giving full flexibility during baking and ensuring even results every time. Let's see the oven in action. Baking temperature is set to 320 degrees Celsius. Baking time is about 3 minutes on this temperature. Let's see the results. Perfect and evenly baked pizza. Thank you for watching.